Let us find the last two digits of the number 2206 power 2022 power 2021. So as we know that 6 power n has a cyclicity of 5, let us know what remainder will be obtained when we divide this exponent by 5. So to find that, let us use congruency modulo for 2022 whole power 2021. So as we know that 2022 will be congruent to 2 mod 5. With applying powers, we get 2022 whole power 2021 congruent to 2 power 2021 mod 5. And now we know that 2 square congruent minus 1 mod 5. So applying powers again, 2 square whole power 1010 will be congruent to minus 1 whole power 1010 mod 5. So this gives 2 power 2020 congruent to 1 mod 5. But since we require 2021, let us multiply by 2 on both sides, which gives 2021 congruent to 2 mod 5. So which means the given number 2206, its exponent will be something in the format like 5k plus 2. Now from the cyclicity of 6 power n, we know that 5k plus 1 will be 06, 5k plus 2 will be 36, 5k plus 3 will be 16, and so on. Now since we need 5k plus 2, we can say that the last two digits of a given number will be 36. I hope you understood watching this. Thank you.